Yo, I'm just walking past here, and some of these gravestones are literally from 1777. And what is actually so very special about Witherby, I think it's how it's called, is that rune over there was a major inspiration for the author to write Dracula. And I would be creeped out if I walked alone in this graveyard at night, because those gravestones really look like from a horror movie. Oh gosh, it's so hard because I've been holding Penny, I've been holding the umbrella, I have so much gear on me. I need to go back to the van now because it's time for me to move away from this place. It was a pleasure. Unfortunately, it was a little bit too rainy. Not too rainy, it's just that it's a little bit difficult to hold everything. And we just walked all the way. Gosh. Let's go home. Look at my shoes. Look at those. Look at this. You know how much cleaning I've been doing these days in Britain because it's always so wet? So much you can't even imagine. And with Penny being all wet, it's not easy. It's not easy. Okay. Oh gosh. There you go, see, everything falls. Oh, fuck me. Warte, Penny. This is the new little carpet that I bought. It's ugly, but it is to keep my shoes clean. Let's start wearing my driving outfit. Ew, what's inside? Oh, I was searching my tweezer actually. Benito. Okay, never mind. Let's get started driving, huh? Where are we going? Look at this. I can. All I want to do is just sit down for a little and figure out what I want to do. That happens a lot, you know, I just sit here. Okay, let's get not hooked up on Instagram. Okay, I got hooked up, sorry. Let's see, where are we going? Oh, I need to drive a little bit. You know, my battery is it's difficult because I need to buy a normal battery charger. You know, being here in winter, there's no solar energy coming and my battery doesn't charge fully just by driving, so I need to buy, there's a little adapter that you can buy to recharge the battery manually. You just need an electricity plug. Penny, you're so wet. You're so wet. You're so wet. Let me take this. Where did I want to go? I wanted to drive quite a fair bit today. Maybe there? What is there? No, maybe not. I'm almost in Scotland, guys. I can't believe it. That sounded nice. It's 100 kilometers far away. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. The only struggle is not the rain itself. The struggle is to keep the van clean with all the rain and all the mud around here. Where I'm going? Gosh. I don't know. It's one of these days where I don't know what to do. Where I don't know what to do with myself. Don't look at me like that. You want some of my cheese sandwich? It's dry. It's dry, Penny. I don't know if you would like that. I know what to do. Ew, it's all wet. Thank you. Thank you for wetting my shirt and my jacket and everything. I love you. You are the best, Poochie. The best, Poochie. I've been so savage. I've been parking in not allowed parking area. Don't sleep overnight. Penalty £100. I'm like, okay, it's winter. I don't know why people have problems with sleeping in the car. It's not like as if I'm loud. 9. You can lick it, but you can't eat it. 9. 9. I said you can lick it, but you can't eat it. 9. am so mean. Okay, guys, I'm gonna drive now. I think I'm just going a little bit mental right now. I'm not hard, I got women that handle that. They be like, he the man when I'm really a thundercat. Good morning, everybody. Woohoo! I'm squatting right now, otherwise you wouldn't see me in the dark. Oh, my back. I'm getting old. No, I'm joking. I'm fresh. I shouldn't talk with this. So, this is the first beach I woke up since so much time passed. I know it's been a while since I was standing right so close on the beach, and I'm actually so excited about it because I want to take Penny out for a little play game. Yesterday night, all of a sudden, I felt a little bit sad, not sad, but I felt a little bit melancholic. I drove here in the middle of the night, so it was dark. I couldn't really see anything. As I was sitting there and I opened the door, and I was just wishing I would have some company with people and just, talk about deep stuff and chill kind of thing. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Oh, were you outside? People are always asking if you were lost, dog. Sir Peniel? Sir Peniel, are you lost? Or are you just a free dog and people are not used to it, huh? Peniel? Guys, everybody always asks, is that your dog? Be careful, there are people stealing dogs. And I always go like, yeah, okay, I understand. Thank you for warning me. Why do people have to steal dogs, first of all? And second of all, I just want to let him free running and be on your own and just explore the world. Like a little wildling. You are not meant to stay home on a leash, aren't you? You are a little wild one. It's like me. I think it's like, I know I have to put him on a leash at some point, and sometimes, but I just like to just open the door and let him go so he can just enjoy the world and have fun, like me. Okay, you don't need to look sad. We will go outside in a bit. Just let me get ready, okay?
I am so hungry. I didn't eat yet at all. Drinking salty water. Oh no! Give us that bite! Oh no! Did we lose it? In the foam. It's somewhere there. In the foam. Oh, there! You found it! Good one! Penny, you can't drink salty water. You have foam on your feet. It looks like if you have hair there. Normally I take the poof, but right now this is my current favorite move. Small girl struggles, I promise it's like that. It's good when you're small and flexible, right? You probably wonder now, how tall is she? I'm 161 or 5'2" in American. I was just getting my drone out. Oh my god, I'm such a cliche, I know. But girl, this is art. so sad I didn't get to see the castle of Hogwarts because the family is obviously still living there, I believe. And it is closed in winter, which I didn't know because I didn't research. I just went with the flow and I was like, oh, that's kind of close, so let's go there. And then I figured out, okay, it is closed. And then I was just, you know, wandering around, but I took a little bit of drone footage just because I thought you were here, so you really want to see it. Maybe next time I'll have the chance whenever I come back, eventually in spring or I don't know, whenever in my lifetime. Still, it's very beautiful, it's very cute, very rainy, and the accent is getting stronger and stronger. That makes me feel like the accent is going stronger and stronger. Oh, there's my van already, see? Show ya. There you go. Doesn't it look beautiful out there? Hi! Can you Pookie Mouse? I didn't get to see Harry Potter Castle. I didn't get to see Hogwarts. Where should we go next? Maybe we go to the Holy Land, huh? I heard it's supposed to be very nice there as well. Oh yeah. We driving? Gotta go to the toilet, actually. Oh, let's get in first. Oh god. Wait, this door. Oh god. Oh my god. Ew. Well, I didn't get to see Hogwarts, but it was still nice. I could see a little bit. Oh. Pena, come in your bed. You look so beautiful. My god, I am so stupid. I just put 2 pounds in there to get water, I thought, to fill it in here in my canister, and it's not water, it's soap. It's water with soap. Where do I get water now? Why are they doing this to me? Oh my gosh. Alright, let me try to figure out what to do now. God, I can't believe it. They have no normal water here. Now I have already soap. Penyo, what are you doing there? What are you doing there? I was just about to fill this, and why are you sitting alone on the table? Were you trying to get food? Were you trying to steal the food that is in there? Huh? Penyo? He's looking at me with this face. Penyo, you are not allowed to go on a table. Were you trying to... You were trying to eat the food. Did you? No, he didn't. 999. Well, how do we solve this problem? I can't wash no dishes today. Oh well, let me find somewhere else. Oh, why? It's blue! This is my 3rd try in the 3rd gas station. I finally find something. Finally found normal water. How's it so difficult? And I even had to pay. But, hey Penito. I spoiled him with a new bed. So yeah, I'm filling the water now. This is the easiest way, otherwise I'll have to carry all the bucket out, and it's 20 liters, so it's quite heavy. But this is like so handy.
It doesn't just open them stacks, it opens them.
We have over 4 on one.